So, hi everyone. Welcome to this year's Totara Awards, and thank you for all joining us. Hope you're all sitting comfortably. You've got yourself a cup of tea or something else. But welcome, and thank you for joining us for this year's Totara Awards, where we celebrate the many diverse and incredible projects of our Totara partners and our customers. So, my name is Matt Lineker, the Customer Success Manager at Totara Learning. I'm joined today by my colleague Iris.
Hi everyone, I'm the Channel Marketing Manager here at Totara. Thank you to everyone who has joined us today, and thank you to everyone who has submitted a case study for the 2019 Totara Awards. This has been our most competitive year ever, with over 80 case studies being entered.
So as a result of the high numbers of case studies, this year we'll be recognizing the winning case studies, but we also want to highlight the case studies that came very close to winning. These will be our highly commended case studies. If you have any questions about the awards today, please do email marketing@totaralearning.com.
We were very pleased to have had Laurie Niles-Hoffman, an industry expert, support the judging process this year. Laurie was the keynote at the EMEA user conference last year, and she was very impressed by the overall quality and application of Totara in the many projects that she reviewed.
So if anyone just missed out on the deadlines to submit a case study for this year's awards, you can always submit a case study and you'll automatically be entered into the awards for 2020.
Yeah, you can see all of our case studies online and on our website, and there will be a press release after the webinar to highlight the winners. If you've won, you will be also given your own kind of PR kit and your own award made out of real Totara wood from New Zealand.
Okay. So again, thank you to everyone who submitted a case study, and we're really delighted to see the Totara community growing so well. So today we'll let you know the award winners for both our customer and our partner awards. So let's begin with our first category.
Our first category is the Best Totara Project for Business Services. For our highly commended case studies, we would like to mention Rubix, Europe's largest supplier of industrial maintenance, repair and overhaul, and the Peter Jones Foundation, which helps young people make learning about business a more practical experience. However, the winner for the 2019 Best Business Project is Securitas Aviation by Neo Learning. Securitas Aviation united a global team of managers with this solution by Neo Learning. The blended learning program combines e-learning with collaborative face-to-face sessions and is centered firmly within Totara Learn, making full use of a wide range of activity types and visual dashboards. The action learning model means that real business problems are addressed, demonstrating strong learning outcomes that have led to positive improvements across the organization. So congratulations to Securitas and Neo Learning for winning this award.
So congratulations, that's the first award done. Well done to Neo and to Securitas, it's a great project. Our next category is the Best Education and Training Services Project. So for this category, we'd like to mention RPS Energy, which defines and delivers consulting training services to energy supply specialists worldwide, and also to Wahoo Learning, who provide training to the communications infrastructure community. However, the winner for the Best Education and Training Project for 2019 is Educare, who partnered with Acipio. So Educare is one of the largest Totara Learn solutions in the world and is used by 15 companies across 9 countries. This demonstrates the powerful scalability of the platform. This project by Acipio is a great example of both quantity and quality. With the large-scale e-commerce enhanced platform, increasing compliance for cultural competency training by 60%, Educare's LMS is a product of 7 separate instances of platforms being merged into one Totara platform, and 98.5%, an incredible 98.5% of users would recommend the system. So a massive congratulations to Educare and Acipio for your award.
Now let's take a look at the winner of the Best Finance and Insurance Project. So the judges would like to give a special mention to the work done by Neo Learning, an insurance company Van Breda Risk and Benefits. But the winner for 2019 is Banco Patagonia by Kineo Latam. Banco Patagonia's Totara Learn solution by Kineo Latam demonstrates a seamless LMS migration as they transferred 3,300 users and records of almost 30,000 completed courses to the new platform with ease. Integration with the organization's HR system automates data transfer and personalized reporting gives Banco Patagonia a clear overview of how everyone is performing, leading to improved compliance outcomes. So congratulations to Kinio and to Banco Patagonia for your award.
Yeah, massive congratulations there as well. So the next award is for the best government project. So we do have a very active government user group on the Totara community. So if you're not a member of that and you do want to speak to your peers in the government, please do feel free to join that sector space in the community. So this, for 2019, we'd like to highly commend the work done by Learning Nexus for their work with Ashford Borough Council and Asipio for their work with the Department for International Trade here in the UK. But the winner for the 2019 Best Government Project, I'll try and pronounce this one, is Jordbruks Verket. Iris, do you want to try and pronounce that one for me?
I'd say Jordbruks Verket.
That's much better. So congratulations to the Swedish Board of Agriculture and Extractor for their award. So the Swedish Board of Agriculture's LMS by Extractor highlights the speed with which a fully customized learning platform can be designed, built, and rolled out. The platform supports up to 200,000 users cost effectively and provides a straightforward way to manage the mandatory certification process. The platform has also saved the organization considerable time and money and allows administrators to spend their time engaging in more valuable tasks. So a massive congratulations for your award.
Well done. Now let's turn to the next category, which is the best healthcare project. There's a very active healthcare space in the Totara community, which anyone working in healthcare is welcome to join. We had some truly excellent case studies submitted in this category, so this was a very tightly contested category. We'd like to highly commend Lambda Solutions for their work with the Community Health Services of Georgia and to Chambery Learning Solutions for their work with Maidstone and Tunbridge Wells NHS Trust. However, the winner for the best healthcare project of 2019 goes to Think Learning and Hertfordshire Community NHS Trust. The Hertfordshire Trust partnered with Think Learning to create an incredibly successful Totara Learn solution, which increased compliance across a complex set of national, statutory and mandatory requirements to 94.4% in just 3 months. The ease of use has reduced first-line support queries by 80%, and non-attendance rates for classroom training have more than halved. The LMS has supported an 80% increase in training from the previous year and saves the learning team up to 3 days a week in staff time.
So again, massive congratulations to Hertfordshire Community NHS Trust and to Think Learning for their award. Well done. It's a really hotly contested case study, those ones. So our next category, so this award is for Best Hospitality and Travel Project. So that's definitely one of my favorites. Again, this is a really tightly contested category. So we'd like to highly commend Neo Learning and Brussels Airport for their project, as well as Learning Pool with their project with Savest, who provide facilities management services to organizations. But the winner for 2019 for the Best Hospitality and Travel Project goes to the Compass Group by the Courseware Company. So Compass Group's Totara Learn solution, designed and implemented by the Courseware Company, has given them the freedom to save with automated, streamlined learning processes. Learning is delivered in the form of 15 different programs tailored to different roles, and they now have the flexibility to develop their own e-learning modules more efficiently. The LMS has become the go-to place for accessing everything from e-learning to manuals for machinery, giving employees across the Compass Group's 4 brands access to a one-stop shop for learning. So massive congratulations to Compass Group and to Courseware for your award.
Well done. Now we turn to the Best Manufacturing Project, which again had some truly excellent nominations. We'd like to highly commend Remote Learner for their work with JLG Industries, the world's leading designer and manufacturer of lift and access equipment, and Munami for their project with Terminix, one of the largest pest and termite control companies in the world. For 2019, we are awarding the Best Manufacturing Project to Lambda Solutions and Subaru Canada. Congratulations. Subaru Canada consolidated 2 learning platforms into a single adaptable feature-rich solution, which supports 2 separate audiences, the sales and after-sales teams. They significantly cut training costs by moving to a single cloud-hosted LMS and by reducing support requirements. Their work with Lambda completely transformed Subaru's entire approach to training, switching from on-premise paper and video resources to a modern multilingual digital learning experience. A massive congratulations to both Subaru and Lambda on their award.
Yeah, congratulations again. Okay, so now we'll turn to the best not-for-profit sector. Again, we had some really exceptional customer success stories for this award, so it's been really hard to choose a winner. But for 2019, we'd like to highly commend Scipio and the Imperial Society of Teachers Dancing for their project, as well as the project undertaken by the First Nations Foundation and their work with andragogic. However, for 2019, we'll be awarding the winner of the best not-for-profit project to Choices Housing and their project with Learning Nexus. Choices Housing clearly demonstrates the value a well-implemented learning platform can have on an organization operating within a tight budget constraints where every little improvement counts. They're a powerful example to other organizations considering the move to more efficient online learning management. This provides a solid foundation on which to extend into performance management, employee engagement, and proactive staff development. So massive congratulations to all these projects that are doing such meaningful work in the world.
Now let's turn to the best retail project. For 2019, the highly commended customer success stories are iLearn and their project with Extra Stores, as well as Samsung Backstage with Iris London. The winner, though, for the best retail project of 2019 goes to Kineo and their project with Wella. Wella's Totara Learn solution by Kineo is an impressive example of a large-scale global LMS supporting over 400,000 learners worldwide. Wella Education is now the #1 marketing opt-in contributor for Wella, and the mobile-friendly design meets learners on the devices they use in their day-to-day roles, supporting 62% of users to access learning on their smartphones. The platform has also delivered a significant business impact, with Wella Education responsible for accelerating salon business growth by an average of 9%. So congratulations.
Okay, congratulations to Wella and Kineo. Let's move on to keeping fit and staying healthy. We'll look at the award for the best sport and lifestyle project. So for this award, we'd like to highly commend Learning Pool for their excellent project with Edinburgh Leisure, which is one of the biggest physical activity providers in Edinburgh. But for 2019, the best sports and leisure project goes to Australian Football League and their work with andragogic. So the Australian Football League partnered with andragogic to provide grassroots support for Australian football coaches across the country. Their Totara Learn solution supports a diverse audience of over 86,000 coaches, players, and officials, extensively expanding the organization's outreach efforts. The LMS also supports e-commerce and monetization efforts through increased membership numbers and is being used as an important initiative to support cultural awareness and the number of multicultural participants in the sport. Massive congratulations to them for that project.
Now we'll look at our penultimate customer award, which is for the best technology and media project. Again, we had some exceptional entries into this category. For 2019, we are highly commending the projects by LearnChamp for their work with A1 Telecom Austria Group and the software company Weka.io for their project with eThink. The winner of the best technology and media project for 2019 goes to Red Hat and their project with Synergen. As leading advocates of open source, Totara Learn was a natural fit for Red Hat. Synergen developed a platform which was deployed by Kineo to create an innovative learning solution in their Red Hat University LXP. Totara Learn's open API and extensibility allowed Synergen to build an LXP on top of the core LMS product, and they made full use of the customization possibilities available. With users based in more than 80 countries, strong global uptake, and 79% of employees accessing the system being returning users, it is clear that Red Hat is reaping the benefits of the freedom to learn and innovate with this open source solution. So well done.
So yeah, massive congratulations to all of our customers and partners who've won an award and been highly commended today. And congratulations to everyone else who's doing such great work with Totara.
Now let's move on to the partner-specific awards, which includes the Top Seller and the Global Partner of the Year awards. The Global Partner of the Year award recognizes achievements and activities such as sales success, product collaboration, marketing and events activity, and knowledge sharing within the Totara community and the wider industry. The winner of the Global Partner of the Year award goes to Extractor. Extractor has been a major player in the Swedish e-learning industry since 1997, and they've been a long-standing Totara Platinum partner and provide a full set of services including design, configuration, customization, integrations, and professional hosting. They're strong proponents of the open source movement. They were named one of Sweden's best places to work, and they collaborate with other Totara partners and Totara's core developers on a regular basis. Their customers include Kia Motors, Max Burgers, Actic, amongst others, and their work with the Swedish Board of Agriculture achieved this year's Best Government Project Award. So big congratulations, well done to Extractor.
Yeah, massive congratulations to Extractor. So moving to our next category, this award is for the top-selling Totara partners in Asia Pacific, EMEA, and the Americas. But the top-selling partner for Asia Pacific this year goes to Andrew Godjic. So congratulations. Then for top seller for Totara EMEA 2019, this award goes to Learning Pool. Congratulations again for another incredible year from Learning Pool. And the top seller for Americas goes to Remote Learner. Congratulations to Remote Learner and your team for being the top seller in Americas. So that brings us to the end of this webinar. We'll be sharing the news on our website, within our PR networks, and our social channels. So stay tuned for more information on the awards. We really hope you enjoyed this award-winning webinar today. And thank you to everyone for taking part. We've had some truly excellent case studies. And thank you to everyone for all your hard work. It's been amazing. Anything else to add, Iris?
Nope, that's great. Thank you very much. And thank you, Matt, for presenting everything. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.